Good morning, everyone. You are listening Vinay Kumar, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. Coronavirus vaccine development, the overwhelming race to the finish line. Today's news is about corona vaccine. The corona vaccine pandemic has gripped the world, making the discovery of an efficient vaccine of paramount importance. However, researchers are still studying the way the virus is behaving, and that's an important step in the development of the vaccine. But what is for all the seas in the global race of releasing the first coronavirus vaccine in the world, with China's Sinovac having reportedly reached the later stages of the human trial to Moderna, AstraZeneca, and even our indigenous Covaxin. They all are competing to pass trials and reach the final stage. It is widely known the government world over the putting pressure on their country's medical institutes to come up with faster release. While we all know that the focus is on the efficiency of the vaccine, the rush to release it faster make it overwhelming for sure. China is so for leading the race, wants to be the first to release the vaccine of the virus that started in their country. In fact, their Major General and virologist had said in a TV interview that if China happens to be the first to develop this weapon, it will demonstrate not only the progress of Chinese science and technology, but also our image as a major power. Then there are Britain's Oxford scientists who are reportedly sprinting on vaccine development, according to a report. Then Closer Home ICMR was recently in the middle of controversy when they shared a letter that gave the August 15 deadline for the development of our own indigenous vaccine. The medical authority then clarified that its sole aim is to complete the vaccine clinical trial as soon as possible, but they assured that this would not mean rushing through the trials without proper result. The documents reportedly shown a trial period spanning 15 months. Developing a vaccine is not an easy process. A good vaccine is said to have three important features. First, they are safe to administer. Second, they are produce a safe and appropriate response to the disease in question. And third, that they are affordable for the target population. To ensure that a vaccine is successfully implemented on all parameters, there are several tedious development stages that are diligently followed. There are preclinical and clinical development phases, and due to the varying results, there are some vaccines that have taken years to release. This happens because sometimes it takes longer to understand the real mechanism to make a potent vaccine. That is from today. I, Vinay Kumar, will come back with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.